Hello, good morning everyone! Ang dami natin ngayon this morning. Excited na ba kayong lahat for our presentation this morning? Type yes at the comment box below if you are excited. We are, as of the moment, 187 watchers no, sa atong FB Live natin. We have here Ma'am Heidi Pryon from Hinatilan. Hello, Ma'am Heidi. We also have Sir Jose Paulo Bergado from Manila. We have Ma'am Bing Roa from Lapu-Lapu City. We also have Ma'am Marilyn Igat from Liloan. Yes or yes? Marami tayo ngayon. We have Ma'am Cesarita Saracho watching from Malaysia. We also have Ma'am Jesame Castro from Bohol. Hello. Ma'am Marites Manlosa from Dipolog City. We also have Ma'am Mary Ann Soreso watching from Menglanelia, Cebu. And we also have Ma'am Rachel Maratas watching from Escalante. And of course, we also have JMD Tetel Ilnar watching from Maryland, USA. Are you all ready? Type ready at the comment box below. Welcome to our Asset Building Health Opportunity Presentation and Experience. Be reminded to turn off all mobile phones or mute your mic unless you are the speaker. Good morning! Why good morning? It symbolizes new hope, new beginning, and new miracle because the sun never sets with lifestyles. Yes or yes? Are you all excited? Type yes if you are excited. Yes or yes? Our topics this morning is all about our asset building, our company, our mission, fighting body pollution, products, and of course, our business opportunity. Our lifestyle's mission to provide health and wellness solutions to help people live better every day. But before we proceed with our opportunity presentation, we will show you first the concept of asset building so we will never have to work again. Introducing our first speaker. She is a traditional business owner, 2018 winner of Consistency and Productivity Award given by Lifestyles Canada, a Life Builders Club Ambassador of the Year 2019, a 2019 winner as the Rising Star Award given by Lifestyles Canada, and as summa cum laude graduate last batch 90-day, batch 4 90-day commitment program. Help me welcome our Global Marketing Director, Susan Chabion. Take it away, JMD.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, world. Good morning, Philippines. Are you happy? Are you blessed? Are you all excited? Yes or yes? Yes. Now I am way more excited to share with you my task this morning. So without any further ado, let me start on my topic on how to build your assets. Yes or yes? Yes. Okay, what our team advocacy is build your assets. Yes or yes? Yes. So what is the difference between assets and liabilities? Assets are anything that put money into your pocket, and liabilities are anything that take money out of your pocket. To put it simply, assets is making you money, liabilities is costing you money. Yes or yes? Yes. Sabi ni Clay, yes daw. Now, why asset building is important? Of course, to generate passive income so you will not work anymore. Gusto niyo ba yon? Type yes if you are gusto. Now, what is passive income? According to Cash Flow Quadrant of Robert Kiyosaki. Now, here's Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. There are two types of income, active income and passive income. Active income on the left side of the quadrant, nabilong dyan yung mga empleyado. So if you're an employee, you have a job. And also, if you are self-employed, like doctors or lawyers, you own a job. So on this side of the quadrant, the active income, meaning you work. So when you stop working, of course, your income also stop. Now, passive income on the other side of the quadrant, the right side of the quadrant, dito na belong yung mga business owners. For example, if you're a business owner, you own a franchising business like McDonald's, you own a system and people work for you. And if you got lots of money, you are an investor. Money works for you. So passive income, you are not working, but assets are working hard for you. Yes or yes? Yes. Now question again, do you have passive income? If none, you will work forever. May forever pala sa work. Sabi ni IMD Blancarmucha, yes. Now, what are your options to build passive income? Number one, pension. But of course, you have to work for 40 long years. Number two, build apartments. You need millions. I can attest to that. Number three, invest in paper assets. Of course, you need millions. Number four, buy franchising business. And of course, you need lots of millions. And number five, shortcuts to getting rich. And these are extraordinary. Extraordinary shortcuts to getting rich. Inherit wealth. Of course, if you are born with a golden spoon, you don't need to work. Marry someone who is already incredibly rich. Pero sa teleserye lang yan mangyayari na ang mahirap, pwedeng makapangasawa ng mayaman. In reality, di talaga yan pwede. Hit it big in the stock market. If you know how to play that. And win the lottery. Sino bang tumataya ng loto dito? Math expert says the lottery is a voluntary tax on people who are really bad in math. Next, write or sing a hit song like Taylor Swift, no, or Madonna, royalty bonus yan. Or write a great novel. Now, again, what are your options? Do you have millions to build apartments? Invest in paper assets, buy franchising business, or are you willing to work for 40 long dragging years? If none, of course, if none, the best option is network marketing powered by the franchising system. Yes or yes, type network marketing. I want to see it. Okay. Now, network marketing is now a major player in the global economy and it is growing. Each week, about 475,000 people worldwide join this industry. Grabe no, siya talaga yung trending. What, 25 years ago, no books were written about this business, but now this is the subject of many books, magazines, and TV shows. Top leaders are endorsing it. So, according to Jim Rohn, no, he's an entrepreneur, author, and motivational speaker. Sabi niya, network marketing is the big wave of the future. It is taking the place of franchising, which now requires too much capital for the average person. So affordable lang pala ang network marketing. Yes or yes? Yes. Now, why network marketing? Of course, number one, you own a franchising business at a minimum investment. You don't need millions. Number two, you have a team to help you. Isn't that amazing? You're not doing it all by yourself. Number three, open to anyone, even doing it part-time. Yes or yes? Okay, number four, you earn even in your first month while learning. Yan ang maganda sa network marketing dahil while learning, you can start earning. Gusto nyo ba yon? And number five, the best of all the best is you are building your assets and not someone else's assets. Gusto nyo ba yon? Yes or yes? Of course, it's a yes. Now, what is our assets here? Now, assets is equals to network of users and network of distributors. Now, with network marketing, you can build a 3 to 5 career plan and not 40 long years. That is a good news. But why 3 to 5 years only? No? Why 3 to 5 years only? Answer, leveraging, the secret of the rich. Now, leveraging is the use of supports like money, time, people, and system in order for you to earn more. Gusto niyo bang leveraging? Type leveraging. Now, there are two common examples. Number one, compound interest, which is time and money leveraging, and geometric progression, which is people leveraging. Now, with compound interest, for example, if you have 1 million invested today at 10% interest per year, your 1 million becomes 2 million after 7 years, 4 million after 14 years, 8 million after 21 years. Question, how come your 1 million becomes 8 million after 21 years? Answer, you are leveraged with time and money. Kaya pala ang mga mayayaman, lalong yumayaman. Bakit? They have more than 1 million. Now, another question. Most of us have the time. No, ang dami nating oras. But what about millions? Now, I have good news for you guys. You can still be leveraged without lots of money and time with network marketing by the power of ito, geometric progression. People leveraging. Yes or yes? Of course, it has to start from you. Now, with the franchising system, you will find your 6. And your 6 will be duplicated, will find their own 6. That will become 36 and 216, 1,296 people, 7,776, until in 3 to 5 years, you will end up a total of people 9,330. Question, how come your 6 becomes 9,330? Answer, you are leveraged with people. Palakpakan natin ang leveraging, guys. Geometric progression. Now, this is the wonder of geometric progression. I know it is amazing, eh? The wonder of geometric progression. If each sponsor 6, no, perfect duplication, you will end up 9,330 total distributors. And by sponsoring 2 more, kasi dito unlimited eh, by sponsoring 2 more, each sponsor 8, you will end up 37,448 total distributors. And by sponsoring 2 more, each sponsor 10, perfect duplication 10, you will end up in 3 to 5 years, 111,110 total distributors under your organization. The leverage can make you a multi-millionaire. Are you excited? Oh my God, amazing, eh? Now, the only key is choose a legitimate company. And then once you're at it, then you can start building your assets. Okay, yes, sabi ni Sir Angelo. So how do you know if you have a legitimate network marketing company? Paano ba? Ito must be a member of the DSA, no? The Direct Selling Association. The DSA has been in existence for over 100 years. There is an estimated 2,000 network marketing firms, out of which only 260 are members of the DSA. Kaya careful, kailangan alam natin. Now we know, must be a member of the DSA. Yes or yes? Yes. So question, how do you build your assets? Paano ba? Now ito, 2 steps to build your assets. Number 1, find a legitimate network marketing company. Now we know must be a member of DSA. Number 2, build your network using the franchise duplication system. So in 3 to 5 years, with a franchising system, this is the potential passive income from your network. So for example, if your network is 100,000, for example, you have a bonus of 100,000, that is equal of owning a 2 big house that is worth 7 million each na pinapaupahan mo ng 50,000 pesos a month. Isn't that amazing? So how much is the asset value of your network kung ganon? Answer is 14 million. Grabe, no? No, grabe, para kang may 2 pinapaupahan na malaking bahay. Isn't that amazing? Yes or yes? Yes. Next, so with network marketing, you can still earn a monthly passive income of 100,000 even without 14 million. Oh my God, you don't need millions to earn millions. Ang galing ng network marketing. Now your takeaway. Any ordinary person can still be leveraged, build assets, and earn passive income by network marketing powered by the franchising system. Yes or yes? Now question, are you ready to build your assets? Ready na ba? Yes, sabi ni Clay. Yes daw. Okay. So I'm done with my presentation. Now, again, this is Global Marketing Director Susan Shabion from Mandawi City, Cebu. Short background, dating traditional business owner, owned a restaurant bar in the country of Mexico. I have a rental business here, and now I am a full-time lifestyles business owner. So, bakit ako nandito sa lifestyles? So actually, my love story with lifestyles started when I met June 2017 because of my health challenges. Due to unhealthy lifestyle before, no, I suffered myoma, I was allergic to dust mite, and I was even diagnosed having psoriasis. So I'm very thankful to my angel upline, IMD Blanca Remucha, for introducing me the Lifestyles Phenomenal products. Without hesitations, I took the products seriously for a month, and lo and behold, lahat po iyon ay na-addressed. And my mother has a type 2 diabetes, very high sugar, very high cholesterol, giving her intra and fiber life, ngayon po ay controlled na. And my blockbuster testimony, ito po yung isa sa nagpa-GMD sa akin, was when my husband was due for angioplasty, September 4, 2018. Prior to that, I gave him massive, seriously large doses of Intra and Nutria Plus. And lo and behold, when he was already inside the operating room, the doctor did another angiogram, and the result was that angioplasty is no longer necessary. Oh my God! Praise God! Kasi ang laki talaga ng na-save namin na pera. Alam niyo ba kung anong tawag ng asawa ko sa Intrajuice? Ask me what? Intrajuice is a miracle juice. Grabe talaga, ang galing ng products. Me and my family have been taking it since, and we are all benefited from it. We are certified products of the products. And kaya nga, sabi ko sa sarili ko, bakit hindi ko try gawin ang business? Kasi the product is so effective, no question. No? So sabi nga, when the product is good, the business is done. So I decided talaga to do the mission. I took it by heart. I followed the franchising system. I kept attending trainings and events ng lifestyles. And I am forever grateful to my upline mentors, JMD Eva, NMD Palaran Abing, NMD Mami Yap, IMD Eleanor Abing, and IMD Blanca Remucha for all the love and support. Wow, thank you, Miss Jonah. In my 3 years of business, I reached the highest position and got promoted to be one of the global marketing directors of lifestyles. At ang napakaganda dito is the company never fails to recognize all your efforts. I received multiple awards from the company. Grabe, 2018 winner of consistency and productivity, 2019 winner of as a rising star, and Life Builders Club Ambassador 2019. Grabe talaga, no? Through lifestyles income, I was able to buy my own car, new Montero Sport. I acquired properties, invest paper assets, and I am faithfully giving now tithes to the church every month. And what else? I was able to travel for free, local and international. At ang maganda pa kasi kasama ko mga business partners ko, mga uplines at mga downlines. And I have to share this, no? My first check was 7,000 pesos. I was so happy, guys, kasi my name was on the check, no? That was my very first time to receive a check. And my highest check when I got promoted to Global Marketing Director, combined check with my husband, umabot talaga siya ng 1 million pesos. Yes! Oh my God! Ibang-iba na ang buhay ko since joining Lifestyles. Along this journey through Lifestyles trainings and events, my personality growth is priceless for me. No, I became the best version of myself. From being complacent, laid back, and less goal-oriented to become more driven, more ambitious, and more productive. And not only that, ang dami nang nagbago ng buhay ng mga downlines ko. Most of them are able to buy their own cars now. No? Meron na silang mga sasakyan, mga pick-up pa. So that's why I am forever grateful to the big man, to the good Lord, for making me a channel of blessings to other people. And I am forever thankful to the Lifestyles company for bringing out the best in me. Thank you so much, Lifestyles. And just recently, I have to share this. No, we just had our graduation of the Lifestyles University, the School of Millionaires. I was awarded as a summa cum laude of the 90 days batch 4. Grabe, my goodness. Di man ako naging honor student nung nasa school pa ako kasi mahina sa academic. Pero my God, no? Naging summa cum laude naman ako dito sa Lifestyles University. Grabe, guys. Lifestyles opportunity is real. This is the best. Lifestyles company is the best. And you know what? Now I realized na hindi pala batayan kung ano man ang educational attainment mo sa buhay or matalino ka sa klase or ano pa man. Dahil dito sa Lifestyles, for as long as you have big dreams, willing to work ka lang, you are being teachable, you have the heart to help a lot of people and make a difference, for sure, magiging successful ka, kagaya ko, kagaya naming mga GMD. Yes or yes? Yes, I wanna say you type yes. So, to our dear guests, oh my God, I wanna say this. You are so blessed to be invited today. I was once a guest like you, and all I can say, just open your heart and your mind. This is part of God's plan for you to succeed and live a purposeful life. Okay? I hope I have inspired you by my story, my humbling story, because if it happens to me, for sure it will happen to you. You just make a decision, say yes to your dreams, say yes to time and money freedom, say yes to the Lifestyles great opportunity, say yes to big changes. With that, thank you, and to God be all the glory.
Thank you so much, GMD, for that very wonderful presentation and a very inspiring testimony. Moving on to our second speaker. He is a former call center agent, a successor of Executive Director Maria Cristina Pascua, a very passionate lifestyle distributor in doing the Lifestyles mission. Help me welcome our Executive Director, 6 Qualified Leg Power Leg, Ayan Pascua. Take it away, Sir Ayan.
Wow, thank you so much for that wonderful introduction. I am the Eleanor Abing. Good morning, Philippines, and good morning, world. Are you happy? I know you are all excited to build your assets. So my task today is to introduce to you our company that build our assets. Lifestyles home office is located in Toronto, Canada. Lifestyles is an international corporation founded in 1989. We are present in more than 30 countries. All products are manufactured by Lifestyles in Canada. More than 30 years of proven success, solid, stable, and debt-free company. And we are a proud member of US Direct Selling Association. Whenever we see the DSA logo, it symbolizes the true measure of a legitimate company, for it promotes and protects all the direct selling companies around the world. Problem: our modern lifestyle. Because of our busy and modern life, we don't have the time to prepare the food that our body needs, like eating fruits and vegetables. That's why we end up eating fast foods like yung mga burgers, processed meats, french fries, and soft drinks. Yes, these foods are delicious, but it's high in sugar, saturated fat, and cholesterol, which is harmful and toxic to our bodies. Next is lack of exercise. Do you exercise every day? Type yes in the chat box below. Wow, sabi ni Elizar, yes. Exercise increases your overall health. It also helps you manage your blood sugar, increase your metabolism, and helps you control your weight. Next is stress. Stress is the silent killer of the 21st century. Too much stress in your work or lack of sleep can weaken your immune system. Environmental pollution. We all know that we are facing our biggest challenge, itong COVID-19. A lot of people are affected by this pandemic, and there's even a study by European Society of Cardiology that exposure to air pollution increases COVID-19 deaths by 15% worldwide. This is very alarming. That's why the best thing to do is prevention by boosting our immune system. Yes, sir, yes. Solution: nutritional supplements. So our company produces a full line of natural source, premium quality products to help today's challenge. And the best part is all Lifestyles products carries a 30 days money back guarantee. Wow, isn't that exciting? People who drink Lifestyles products does not ask for a refund, but instead they ask for a refill because the product really works. Yes or yes? Introducing to you the flagship product of Lifestyles. Intra is a time-tested botanical drink over 25 years around the world. Unique formula, exclusive to Lifestyles distributors. Sabi ni Bernadette. Yes, wow. Intra is not just one product, but it's 23 powerful herbs combined in one convenient bottle. The 23 herbs in Intra works together to support and strengthens our 8 biological system. The particular herbs in Intra, which is the astragalus, we have reishi mushroom, Siberian ginseng, and licorice roots, helps to boost and strengthen our immune system. And having a strong immune system is extremely important because it protects us from bacteria, viruses, and many kinds of diseases. Intra is used by millions of satisfied customers around the world since 1992. It has a pleasant taste and it is safe for all ages. Many have become independently wealthy by sharing Intra. Balance for the 8 biological systems of our body. Wow, sabi niya, amazing lifestyles products. This chart is according to the study of public medicine. PubMed is the most popular database in the health and medical sciences. They compare introduce to other botanical drinks, such as goji juice. They have mangosteen juice, or known as MX3. They also have noni juice, acai, echinacea, vitamin C, vitamin E, and calcium. These all botanicals are good, but as we notice, even if we take them all, it does not support our 8 biological system. But with Intra, if you look closely on the chart, because of its 23 ingredients that work synergistically, it balances and strengthens our 8 biological system from cardiovascular, wow, sabi ni Jermaine, amazing. So from digestive, eliminative, endocrine, immune system, nervous system, reproductive, and structural, everything is addressed by Intra. Wow, what an amazing product of lifestyles. So do you love Intra already? Yes or yes? Type yes in the chat box below. Wow, we're all excited here. We also have our second product, which is the Nutria Plus. This is also one of our favorite because all of its ingredients are antioxidant. Wow, sabi ni GM dito net, yes. Now, sa Tagalog pa, ang antioxidant is pampabata. The 12 synergistic ingredients in Nutria Plus that works together reduces cell damage caused by the toxic effects of pollution and chemicals. One key ingredient of Nutria Plus is the selenium, the Seleno XL brand, which can be only found in Nutria Plus. According sa study, selenium is best sa may mga bukol-bukol and cancer especially. Now we are happy that Nutria Plus has its proven benefits. It prevents abnormal cellular growth, which is cancer prevention. Did you know that here in Philippines, 9 people are diagnosed of cancer every hour? It's very alarming. That's why we always have to watch our health. Nutria Plus also reduces the inflammation at the cellular level. It regenerates tissues and prevents skin damage due to mild UV, which mostly comes from the sun exposure. Sabi ni ND Palaran, amazing! Wow! And of course, ang pinakapaborito natin is Nutria Plus. It slows down the effect of aging so that you will always look younger than your age. Handsome and beautiful. Yes, sir, yes. Wow, I know you are all excited to take this product. Amazing. We also have our newest product. It's called the CardioLife. This is rich in vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts. It has 9 very powerful ingredients headlined by vitamin MK7, or known as vitamin K2. It has hawthorn extracts and with other ingredients to optimize a healthy blood flow through our body. CardioLife also helps us to have a strong and healthy heart by lowering cholesterol and preventing clogged arteries. It also maximizes brain health and overall well-being. Bone strengthening by removing calcium from the blood and depositing it in the bones. This product is so amazing for it keeps our arteries a free flowing and get the blood all throughout our body. The ingredients in CardioLife plays an important role not only on our health but of course on our brain health, our immune system so that we can live longer. Gusto niyo ba yon? Of course, all of us wants to live longer. Yes. Now, enroll in our 3 months detox program. We have the Better Together kit. It contains 2 bottles of Introjuice, 1 bottle of Nutria Plus, and 1 bottle of CardioLife. This is better if it's taken together, for it provides over 250 health building properties. Here in Philippines, the price of the Better Together kit is only 6,900, and in USA, it's only 135 USA dollars. Our commitment to quality, premium quality natural source products produced in Canada in accordance with good manufacturing practice and hazard analytical critical control point standards for purity, safety, and sanitation. Approved by Food and Drug Administration, kosher rated, and halal certified. That's why all lifestyles products is safe for our Muslim and Jewish brothers. I have a question for you. How much do you care for your body? We only have one body at walang duplicate yan. So we must take care of it more than anything. So all of our dear guests, my message is to love your body more than anything else, for it's the only place you to live in. Though it costs money to stay healthy, but it's even more expensive to get sick. So to share you my story, I met Lifestyles because of my elder sister. She was diagnosed of severe mouth sore cancer. It was a very painful disease because she cannot eat, and the only way for us to feed her is through NGT. We've been to a lot of doctors, several medications, but unfortunately, hindi siya gumaling. But we are blessed because someone introduced Lifestyles products to us. Without hesitation, my sister took the product. Massive taking talaga, 1 bottle of Introjuice per week. You know what? By taking the product in just 3 months, my sister was declared cancer free and she was totally healed by Lifestyles products. Wow, amazing talaga ang Lifestyles products. Very phenomenal. And you know what? Because the product was so good, my mother did the business. She reached the level of executive director, and she was one of the qualifier of the Bangkok, Thailand incentive trips before. But unfortunately, she died 5 years ago. To all of our dear guests, I'm here to tell you that this business is so amazing because you know what? You can have this inherit to your next generation. So yun po yung nangyari sa akin. I'm the one who continued the legacy of my mother here in Lifestyles. I'm forever thankful to my mother because she left me with this business. All of her organizations, all of her downlines was transferred to me. That's why I'm enjoying now the passive income. My first check here is 14,500 and my highest check is 103,000 pesos. I'm also forever thankful to my Angel Upline, GMD Nera Kiros, and GMD Eva Aradilios. And to all of my downlines, Amazing Grace team, thank you so much. With Lifestyles, I also had the opportunity to bless a lot of people through our phenomenal products. So to all of our dear guests, I encourage everyone to drink Lifestyles products and do the business. We have the best products in the world, so let's fill this world with full of love by helping people live better every day through Lifestyles products. Kasi marami ang nangangailangan ng ating products. With that, thank you so much and good morning.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir Ian, for that very amazing presentation. Are you still excited? Type yes if you are still excited. Yes or yes. But before we proceed to our next speaker, let's have our short exercise first. Let's follow the video. Wow, that was so relaxing. Na-relax ba kayo? Type yes at the comment box below. Moving on to our third speaker. She is a traditional business owner, full-time business owner of Lifestyles. Good Morning World Best Endorser of the Year 2019 and nominee of Rising Star in Lifestyles Philippines. And a product of the product. Help me welcome our International Marketing Director, Blanca Remucha. Take it away, IMD.
Thank you so much, my angel upline, IMD Eleanor Abing, for that warm introduction. Good morning, everyone. Are you happy? Yes or yes? Yes, I am the Blanca Rimucha from Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, talking here in our Good Morning World FB Live. Are you still excited? Yes, you should be excited because I will be tackling about the marketing plan of Lifestyles. But before that, let me ask our guests and participants, who among you here have tried our products? And who among you here gusto ng libre na intra and malaking discount? Sino ba ang gusto dyan? Type me at the comment box below. Yes, to begin with, tap into two of the fastest growing industries, health and wellness and network marketing. Yes, you heard it right, network marketing. But don't be worried about network marketing because Paulsen Pelzer, world-renowned researcher, new economy expert, and trend forecaster, author, and Nobel Prize winner said 10 million new millionaires will be created by 2016 onwards. You can become one of them, especially if you are in direct selling technology and home-based business. And Lifestyles has it all. Isn't it amazing? Yes. Kaya, pag may nagsabi na tao na pangit ang network marketing, tell them that network marketing is not bad. In fact, It is important because it enables you to earn more and work less by building your passive income sources. Yes or yes? Yes. So this is the distribution process. In traditional model, from manufacturer na 40%, yung wholesaler mag-a-add yan ng 30%, and also the retailer. So pagdating ng consumer, 100% na, kaya masyadong mahal. Now, tingnan natin yung network marketing. Manufacturer na 40%, of course, no more wholesaler and no more retailer. Kaya pagdating sa consumer, 60% na siya. Lifestyles Philippines, 20 successful years, best reputation in the country, and many millionaires created right here. And it's true. Kasi when I joined Lifestyles May of 2017, 36 GMDs pa lang meron. But now, more than 50 GMDs na. And you know what? Just last year, Lifestyles created new 20 GMDs, mga millionaires sa Lifestyles. And they are, and it's still counting. And they also, nagha-hire pa sila ng GMD ngayon. Kaya, yung nandyan sa black na yan, yung yun na yan, I'm sure ako na yan. Yes or yes? Lahat tayo magiging GMD. So, learn how you can be the next millionaire. Paano ba? Of course, be a distributor. So, we have here two packages to choose for. First is instant package. So, you will get 30% outright discount. You get 21 Better Together kit worth 144,900 peso, and you pay only 103,430. Now, may free intra bottle siya na 9 bottles, and it's worth 16,200 pesos. Your profit and savings is 57,670. Your return on investment is 56%. Di ba kayo ma-excite sa sobrang laki ng kikitain mo? Kasi kung yung 100,000 peso mo nasa bangko yan, sure ako na in 1 year, hindi yan kikita ng 57,000. Now, tingnan natin yung next package, the Express Direct. It's 20% outright discount, and you get 11 Better Together kit worth of 75,900 peso, and you pay only 62,720. Now, here naman, may 5,400 worth of product kasi tatlo ang libre niya. And your profit and savings is 18,580. Your return on investment is 30%. Here's the great news. If you choose any of the two package, instant or express, on your next purchase, you can get the highest discount na 40%. And here's more. While doing Lifestyles business, anywhere you go, you are entitled to 1 million personal accident insurance or 100,000 hospital reimbursement. But only here in the Philippines lang, ha? Okay, yes or yes? Yes. Are you still excited? Okay, so here's the packages in different countries. Please take a photo for your file. Next is the passive income opportunity. Now, tingnan natin ito. Yung yun na yan, ay ako yan. And then, after the presentation, yung friend C ko, nag-decide siya to get the instant package. So the company will give me 14,638. Now, another friend of mine, which is letter D, get the instant package, and the company will give me 16,301. So, meron akong 30,939. Now, here, meron ulit na great news. Kasi if you were able to sponsor 2 direct distributors in 30 calendar day, you will be receiving 9 bottles of Intra for free. And
maganda. At saka masasabihin mo talaga na wow, super generous yung company. And it's worth 16,200 peso. So my total income is 47,139. And ito na yung passive income. Let's say, sa letter A, nakasponsor siya ng 4, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. From there, I get 2,440 and total of 9,760. And my friend B again, sponsored 2, meron din akong 2,440 times 2, and that is 4,880 peso. So, meron akong passive income na 14,640. And total natin, yung active income ko, 47,139. My total earning is 61,779. Yes or yes? Super great, di ba? Sobrang laki. So, your network is equals to assets. Now, build your network, find your 6 people with the system. So, paano ba yan? It started with you. Yes, dapat ikaw talaga. No other but you, and look for your 6 people. Now, that 6 people, they also look for another 6, and it becomes 36. And 36 will also look for their 6, it becomes 216, and it becomes 1,296, and it will reach to 9,330. But the company is already 32 years. So, statistically, 20% lang ang from 9,330, 20%, which is 1,866 people order 3 Better Together kit in 1 month. Tingnan nyo yung passive income. It's 1,241,556 month after month after month, or $30,229 US dollars. Excited ba kayo sa income na yan? Yes, me too. I'm very, very excited. Sabi ni Sir Eli, money overload daw. So, merong tanong dito. What do you want to be? And how much would you like to earn? So, here's the potential income sa lifestyles. If you are an independent distributor, pwede kang maka-income ng up to 20,000. And if you are a working direct distributor, 20 to 40,000. Working regional director, 40 to 75,000. Working executive director, up to 200,000. And working national marketing director, up to 500,000. And international marketing director, 500 to 1 million. And this is our future, yung gusto natin, to become a global marketing director, kasi it's 1 million or more than 20,000 US dollars. But bago mo makuha yung digits na yan, meron itong 3 susi. Ano ba yun? The 3 keys to success. Okay, number 1, dream. You must have a dream, because if you don't have dreams, nothing to chase. So get up and chase your dreams, because yung mga dreams na yan, libre yan, and it is planted by God. Dreams are very important thing in life. And without dreams, we will be nowhere. Yes or yes? Yes. So number 2 is work. You must willing to work. Yes. Sabi ni Sir Eli. Dreams don't work. Yes, sabi ni Ma'am Marie. Yes daw. So dreams don't work unless you do. So take action and work hard for your dreams. Think of your family. Or isipin mo na lang ang mga taong naghihintay na mababayaran mo. Baka matagal na yung utang mo sa kanya. If you work hard and you do your best, you can do anything. Yes or yes? Yes. So the hardest key to turn is the number 3, being teachable. So learn to unlearn. you should be capable of being taught. You must be willing to learn kasi kung wala ka nito, wala ding mangyayari sa'yo. Magpaturo ka kahit hindi nakapagtapos ng college yung nag-sponsor sa'yo, kahit sino pa siya, anuman siya, trust that person kasi siya lang ang magtuturo sa'yo sa business na ito. Okay? So I'm done with my presentation. Step on board and begin your journey of a lifetime. Okay, my testimony. May God be praised forever, and may the Holy Spirit be upon me now and for always. My life before lifestyles, I was a spa attendant way back 1996. Then I became a massage trainer and a spa manager. I was also into direct selling like Daki, W. Brown, Avon, and a lot more. I am also a traditional business owner. I have sari-sari store, meron akong bukuhan, small restaurant in Nueva Vizcaya. I have internet cafe and school service here in Lapu-Lapu. But walang nangyayari. I work like a superwoman but my effort is not enough sa lahat ng mga pangangailangan ng pamilya ko. 2013, when my mom was diagnosed of lymphoma cancer, I said yes to the product but I said no to the opportunity. But I always ask and pray to God na sana bigyan niya ako ng pagkakataon na makaahon sa kahirapan. Until He answered my plea, March 2017, when I was diagnosed with multiple thyroid nodules, severe migraine, hormonal imbalance, anxiety, depression, dahil sa daming utang, I went to my angel upline, IMD Eleanor Abing, and I asked for an intra. My reason of joining is that I don't have 200,000 for an operation. The next thing I know is isa na pala akong business owner ng Lifestyles, officially May 16 of 2017. The ladder of success is real kasi less than a month naging direct distributor ako. And my first check was 3,779. Less than 3 months, I got promoted to executive director, earning 64,000. After 1 year and 6 months, na-promote ako as to national marketing director. And just last October of 2020, I got promoted to international marketing director and got my highest check, more than 500,000. You know, during my NMD promotion, I brought my family to Manila and stay in the condo hotel for 2 days and got to travel in different places. My life, our lives will never be the same when I did the business full time. Kasi yung dati nabubuli ang mga anak ko dahil promissory note lang ang bit-bit nila. Tuwing nag-i-exam, ngayon nakapag-aral na ng nursing ang second child ko. Kung dati, kahit entrance ng public beach resort, hirap kami magbayad. But just last September, after na-open yung ibang resort dito mula nung nag-pandemic, I both my children and my apo and my family were able to drive and ride the jet ski, not just 1, but 3. And just recently, I treat my papa in one of the expensive resort as his birthday gift. Nadagdagan na rin ang family ko, di lang family by blood, but I also found my SFO family, my prayer warriors. And every month, nagtatitings naman ako para sa mga church and other charities. Lifestyles give me the opportunity to travel for free, and both local and international. Ang maganda, kasama ko ang asawa ko, business partners ko, downlines and uplines, and of course, my co-lifestylers. And we travel with style. After a year doing the business, I bought my first asset with the help of my mentor uplines, IMD Eleanor Abing and NMD Palaran Abing. My first SUV Suzuki Ertiga. And after 2 years, naka-acquired naman kami ng 2 condominiums. And my downlines din, sobrang sarap pakinggan or paramdaman kasi nakapagkaroon na rin sila ng sarili nilang mga cars. The price listing is the personality growth. The person I become. Dito, I become more patient, humble, and I can give more because I earn more and become a better person. During my childhood, I always got rejected But here, makikita talaga ang kakayahan mo. Kagaya na lang ng na-announce ang pangalan ko as Rising Star nominee just last Wednesday by Sir Paul Kramer. Kaya lahat na mga guests dito, join na kayo. And I can attest that your decision today will definitely change your future. Our salary will feed us, but our passive income will buy our dreams. Decide now and have faith. Yung faith na hindi mo alam kung ano mangyari sa'yo, pagpasok mo, ba't pinagpatuloy mo pa rin gaya ng ginawa ko? Fox, yan na ang sagot ng Panginoon sa'yo. Believe it. Open your heart and your mind. Join us. Get instant or instant direct. With that, thank you and good morning. To God be all the glory.
Wow, thank you for that very great and so inspiring presentation. Are you inspired? Type yes at the comment box below. Of course, we are so inspired. To inspire you more, let's listen to what people say about our exciting product and business. May I call on the following testimonies? Regional Director Chuna Nunez, National Marketing Director Teresita Mercader, Global Marketing Director Nira Quiros. Take it away, testimonies.
Chona Nunez, and it's really good to see you here. I want to talk about what I've started in lifestyle. Year 2020 was an extraordinary through my angel upline in District QPL in Misaria Tampos and my mentor, International Director Eleanor Abing. I am a former OFW in Dubai as executive assistant in electronics manufacturing company for 7 years. Unfortunately, being away from my family and working hard for 7 years was equivalent to my 7 illnesses due to my unhealthy lifestyle, such as breast cancer, myeloma, polyps, scoliosis, insomnia, dysmenorrhea, severe migraine. At the same time, I get more pimples because of stressful environment. Based on what of my 4 rare illnesses, the doctor can only prescribe surgery or chemotherapy. There's some medication, but still no assurance. After I consulted to my doctor about my condition, she shared about Lifestyles product. And without hesitation, I took 3 months detoxification program with massive dosage, Intra, Nutria, and Fiber Life. After my nightmare experience, I realized if we keep praying to our Almighty Father for His natural, miraculous healing, and you know what? God provided us Lifestyles company. The company that God created Himself is Lifestyles product. He created the best of our immune system. Yes, so yes. After I took 3 months detoxification, I undergo another ultrasound and biopsy. My doctor surprisingly informed me I am cancer free already. Everything has recovered only because of Lifestyles product. From then on, the business follows from starter kit to express package. Doing part-time in Dubai, I found my second chance at life to do this mission. I am able to help more OFWs to live better every day. Yes, if you give passion and value to this mission, then there's a lot of rewards you will receive beyond your expectation. I quit my job March 2020 and full-time missionary of lifestyles October 2020. My first check was here at 30,000 pesos. And November 2020, I got my second blue car Hyundai Accent purely because of lifestyles opportunity. To all my downline team global, thank you so much. What are you waiting for? Take Lifestyles products now, and if you love your family, do the business. With that, thank you. To God be the glory.
Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, world. I'm Teresita Mercader, a former barangay secretary. My lifestyle's journey started with a piece of eyeliner. An angel who is now my upline ordered an eyeliner and she invited me to attend Hope. That was the first time I met Entra. During that time, I was having a health challenge. I was diagnosed of hypothyroidism with 2% active cancer cells. After I heard the product benefits to our body, no hesitations, I grabbed a bottle of Entra kasi I was desperate na gumaling. Dahil during that time, grabe yung palpitations ko. So, I shared it with my asthmatic daughter also. After a week, I felt the progress. No more palpitations, no more asthma attacks si baby. So how can I sustain drinking Intra? I cannot afford to buy a package. But if there's a will, there's a way. I started with 2,000 pesos just to avail 20% discount. Since then, I shared the goodness of the product. No mercy talaga ako on sharing kahit saan at kahit kanino. No, hindi ako nag-pre-qualify. And to my surprise, if the product is good, the business is done. In less than a month, I become a direct distributor and got promoted to regional director and executive director. My first check is 28,000 and I was able to pay my utang. And both Baby Alive na patagal ng mangarap ng anak ko. On the second month doing the business, I was able to buy Kawasaki Fury motor for cash para naman sa asawa ko, para easy ang delivery at easy na rin ang mission namin. Dito sa Lifestyles, I was able to travel for free like Misibis Bay, Plantation Bay, Kompesuhan, and on my 6 months, I was able to buy Vius car. Second hand pa lang siya for cash, but my brand new car is coming so soon. And then, I decided to resign as barangay secretary and focus on Lifestyles business. Kasi, in my heart, I know Lifestyles opportunity is real. Imagine, if I did not join Lifestyles, ano na kaya ang nangyari sa buhay ko? My 3-year salary being a secretary is 1 month income ko lang dito sa Lifestyles. With that decision and choice I made, nagbago ang buhay namin ng pamilya ko. Kung dati hirap na hirap akong bumili ng bigas, ngayon sako-sakong bigas ang kaya kong bilhin at nakakapamigay pa ako sa ibang tao. Being a lifestyler, we become a channel of blessing to other people who need the product and who need the opportunity. In Lifestyles, naging healthy pa, naging wealthy na. To our guest right now, I would like to encourage you to join us and be part of Lifestyles company where our dreams do come true. If you want to stay healthy, drink Intra. If you want to achieve your dreams, mission pa more, share pa more. Yes or yes? With that, thank you and good morning.
Good morning. This is Global Marketing Director Nera Quiros. I met Intra December of 2000. It was introduced to me by an angel, GMD Eva Aradilios, when I had my alopecia areata. But that was not my blockbuster story. I've been taking the product for the after 2 years of taking the product, I was able to attend a presentation like this, and my life was never been the same again. I became I was not able to sleep when I saw the ladder of success. It says there that the presentation was for all the attendees who are who yung may maraming utang, and isa ako doon. And then the speaker said, if may utang ka ngayon, mangutang ka para maahon ka sa lahat ng utang. So I decided talaga na matapos na yung kahirapan ko. So sabi doon na kung may gusto, maraming paraan, at kung ayaw, maraming dahilan. So gusto ko nang tuldukan yung kahirapan ko. And after a week, I was able to borrow a credit card, and the rest was history. Latag na yung system. 60 days after, I became direct distributor. The following month, I became regional director, then executive director. 1 year, 7 months after, I became international marketing director, earning 237,000 a month. I had almost a million debt in credit card that I was able to pay. For the longest time, it was ballooned to almost a million because I was not able to pay not even the minimum payment. So, it is not that I don't have I don't want to pay, but I just don't have the capacity to pay at that time. And then my children were both in their elementary school. I really wanted them to finish their school, the school that I dreamed of. And since I lost my job in Duty Free Philippines, so my fear is not was that I won't be able to send them to the school that I dreamed of. But because I decided, when I saw the presentation, with this presentation, I just made a decision that I will do this business. I saying my upline, GMD Eva Aradilios, who was then an international marketing director and who had I saw her check over $500,000, and I said to myself, I also want that amount to be able to pay all my debts. And she said, just follow the system, don't reinvent the wheel, because God is so good that you had an alopecia areata, because she wanted you to get out of salary, because profit is always better than wages. And we had this franchising system there that is ironed out already. Just follow it. So true enough, after 4 years of becoming national marketing director, I became international marketing director, earning more than $500,000 a month. And when I became a global marketing director, it was then that I earned 1 million, and I am now a consistent more than 2 million earner. In fact, during our national gala last February of 2020, I was awarded as the second highest income earner. And thank God that I made the decision of January 7 of 2002 that I will join Lifestyles. My children are now all professional. Because they saw me in this Lifestyles business. My youngest daughter is now an international marketing director, and just had blessed her brand new house. So travels, we were able to go to places, 8 countries in Europe. We were able to go to Holy Land just recently before the pandemic, and I was able to go to UAE. But the best take out in this business is the person that I become because the personality growth cannot be paid by money. So we all prayed for a better that we can be augment, our salary can be augment. But this opportunity in front of you right now, may you will put it in your heart and mind. Go instant direct, and let us all go at the top. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Wow, that was so inspiring. Yes or yes? Are you still excited? Type yes at the comment box below if you are excited. But before we proceed to our last speaker, let's have our second exercise, and let's follow the video. Wow, that was so relaxing. I know na-relax na kayong lahat. Moving on to our closing speaker. She is a CPA by profession, 20 years in the business, achieved the highest position in 3 years, multi-awardee of Lifestyles Canada, and author of the book Do the Abnormal and Earn Abnormal Income. Help me welcome our Money Fairy Global Marketing Director, Eva Aradelius. Take it away, JMD.
Okay, yes or yes. So, start na tayo. Ano bang story ko? Bakit nandito ako? It's because of my foreclosable house. Ano bang nangyari doon? Kasi March 2000, nag-resign ako kasi burnout ako sa work. So, April 2000, Intra was introduced to me. So, we took the product, nawala yung allergic rhinitis ng husband ko, pero hindi kami nag-business kasi wala akong capital. Instead, I went to America to work. Pero doon, nag-homesick ako. So, bumalik ako dito sa Pilipinas, jobless. Tapos, jobless, doon, naka-receive ako ng letter sa pag-ibig na i-foreclose yung house ko. So, out of panic, I went back to work. In the morning, nag-report ako as finance manager. In the afternoon, as in no exaggeration, nag-resign ako. So sabi ko, ano kayang gagawin ko? No, I've tried poultry, pharmacy, grocery, nothing happened. Nag-OFW ako sa America, nothing happened. 11 years nag-work, manager, nothing happened. So sabi ko, itry ko kaya yung intra. Nag-change ng perspective lang ako na this is not just about the business, but this is about healthy investment, no? Investment sa body mo. So meaning, kung hindi ko mabenta lahat to, lahat iinumin ko. Kung hindi ako sure wealthy ako, sure ako, healthy ako. So yun, in less than a year, na fully paid yung bahay ko. So ang dami pa, ano pa yan, no? Meron pa yan, mga slides na yan. So yung education ng anak ko, imagine, no, nag-grade 1 yung anak ko, before lifestyles, I need to borrow money for his enrollment. But now, graduates abroad. Tapos yung pangalawa ko sa De La Salle University siya nag-graduate din. The best school talaga in the Philippines. Yes, meron din akong car. Before lifestyles, yung company nagbigay sa akin ng car. But dito, 3 yung brand new cars ko. Ano pa yan? Ano pa yung nandyan? So yun, may properties na ako. No? So dito ako nakatira ngayon sa house, malaki, may pool, along Millionaires Row, may forest, maraming birds. Tapos kung ayaw ko naman dito, pupunta naman ako sa city kasi meron tayong leadership training sa Manila every month. So yun, the most expensive property in the Philippines. Meron akong condo din dyan. Tsaka meron din akong residential unit, no, sa beach, no? Imagine, no, sa Sheraton. Grabe talaga. Ano pa yung meron dyan? So ito yung future mo, ha? Worldwide travels. Dati, right after college graduation na ako nakasakay ng eroplano kasi nag-review ako. But this one, ang dami ko talagang travels. Many countries in Asia, of course, in America, in Europe, in Australia, ang dami talaga. Ano pa? Ano pang meron dyan? Personality growth. Alam mo ba dati nung sinasabi sa akin, ako daw yun ang testimony. Sinasabi ko, pag ilagay nyo ako dyan sa testimony, uwi ako. So tinatawag yung pangalan ko, wala talaga ako dyan. Umuwi talaga ako. But now, no, naging speaker ako to thousands of people during gala. Ang galing talaga. So yan, no? So yun, may tanong ako sa inyo. Anong tanong ko, no? So yun, where will you be 3 to 5 years from now if you continue doing what you're currently doing? So natanong niyo ba yan sa sarili niyo? Can you still remember ba year 2018? No? Na-remember mo pa ba yung 2018? Actually, that was 3 years ago. No, parang kailan lang, di ba? But what happened back then? Can you still remember anong na-happen doon sa 2018? Siguro wala kang ma-remember. You know why? Kasi wala kang ginagawang bago. And because you did nothing significant, ang buhay mo, ganun pa rin. Buhay mo, ganun pa rin. Nagre-rent pa rin. Nag-jeep pa rin. Nangungutang pa rin ng tuition. And yan na yan ang maging buhay mo hanggang life is over. And life has just passed you by. Ouch! Gusto mo bang ganyan? Of course, hindi. Alam mo, may sinasabi si Jim Carrey. Ang ganda talaga ng sinasabi niya. Si Jim Carrey, ano yun? Celebrity. Alam mo ba anong sinasabi niya? He said, if you can fail at what you do not want, you might as well take the chance of doing what you love. Ang galing, no? And even if we fail by loving it alone, it's already a success. Di ba? So para sa akin, the greatest tragedy in life is hindi ka pa masaya sa work mo, wala ka pang pera, tapos yun, hindi ka pa maganda kasi dahil sa stress at sa utang, no? Pero in this business, ang galing. We will be building our dreams. We will be helping a lot of people while growing ourselves. We will create friendship that will last for a lifetime. We got to see the world, and we will be part of the Lifestyles family that will help you, support you, cheer for you, and love you no matter what. So, How many 20 years more of your life ba na hindi ka masaya sa ginagawa mo? But here in this business, you will feel alive because you will be touching a lot of lives. You will receive a lot of thank yous because their lives were never the same. You will not be complaining about darkness anymore because you have light a candle and created a light. We are giving hope to every home. Please, we should not deprive people of that hope that might, yun na lang ang natitira sa kanila. Sabi nga nila, everyone dies, but not everyone lives. With lifestyles, you will find your purpose and there's more love in your heart because you are helping people live better every day. So, how do you see your future ba? Yes, we cannot predict our future, but you know what? We can create it. But by our decision and choices, we can be the CEO of our lives. Do you see your future like future A? Anong nakikita mo sa future A? No time freedom with family and friends. Mga OFW, they may have the money, but they don't have time with family and friends. But in this business, you can do this business online, earn dollars, business beyond borders, business in many countries, internationally, but you are with your loved ones at your side. How's that for a change in 2021? Gusto nyo ba yan? Of course! Renting throughout your life. I transferred houses 8 times. Nung nakabili kami sa Camellia Homes, sayang-saya namin. And our greatest dream is to have that house fully paid. But with lifestyles, I got my dream house with pool in a gated subdivision. Yun nga sinasabi ko, with mini forest at the back. And I built it with no loan. Imagine, bank loan just for my monthly check with lifestyles. So you know what? Whatever you have right now, it doesn't matter. Because to a wise man, every day is a new life. The reason why we have tomorrow, so we can start all over again. So ano pa dyan? Yung future aim mo, working on a job that you hate for 40 years just to pay bills. This is the working plan na hindi ko talaga matanggap. Deep down, I know there's something wrong here in this employment plan. Kaya I transferred jobs 6 times and even went to America. But now that I'm with lifestyles, I realize it's not the change of jobs or change of countries, but change of mindset. Just be open-minded. Just keep putting dots for God to connect or keep pitching for God to give you the home run. Today, with what is happening in the world, I know many jobs were lost. I feel sorry for them. But at the same time, many opportunities are opened and you cannot see them unless you open your mind. Ano pa? You cannot sleep with your debt. But you know what? If you use the wisdom of God has given us, it is the debt that will save you. My story started with my foreclosable house. If not for that house, I would have never entertained this business. I was shy, I was broke, I haven't sold anything in my life. But God threw me a brick and I opened my eyes and mind to do something which I haven't done before. When I was starting out, my mom got me Incha. Akala ko ang galing kong mag-explain. Pero ano pala yon, out of pity. Kasi umuwi talaga ako sa probinsya namin. Naka-jeep lang. Umuulan pa. Naawa ang mama ko sa akin. Kaya bumibili ng 1 bottle. But you know what? Last Christmas, I gave her 6-digit cash for Christmas gift. She was so happy. And it was one of the happiest day of my life. I felt so alive. So ano pa? No budget for travels. If money and time is no problem, where do you want to go ba? Kasi if gusto mo talagang mag-travel, pang lifestyles ka, hindi ka pang cubicle, Hindi ka pang employment. Ang daming travel opportunities dito talaga. Kasi first is because you support your team. So you business with pleasure. Second is incentive from the company. Third is because you can afford. So, galing talaga with lifestyles. Ang tanong, happy ka ba dyan sa future aim mo? Pag hindi, with lifestyles, we can bring you to your new future. Gusto mo ba yan? New future? With lifestyles, this will be your new future. Future B. Ano ba yung future B? More time with family and friends. More income than bills at the end of each month. Kahit nabayaran na lahat ng bills, meron pa ring extra money for our expensive bags, for our shoes. At hindi tayo ma-feel guilty kasi extra cash yan. Ano pa dyan sa future B? Freedom to work when, where, and with whom you choose. So you don't need to wake up early to work. You wake up because you're done sleeping. Gusto niyo yan? Of course. Ano pa yan? Future B, life without debt. If you want maganda ka palagi, alam mo kung anong tip? Fresh palagi, dapat debt-free. Kasi sabi nila nakakapangit daw pag maraming utang. No wonder kahit anong facial powder yan, ginagamit natin, ganun pa rin. Kasi the beauty should come from within. Debt-free pill ang kailangan natin. So ano pa yan? More travels. With more travels, you can build memories with your family and friends. And that's priceless. As of now, after building my assets, I'm now building my memories. In my house, what you can see are not antique or expensive things, but many pictures of our travels. These are my true treasure. No? So, again, the question is, are you willing to make a change? Are you willing to transfer from future A to future B? Ang gagawin mo lang, make a change. Who are here are willing to make change? Type me. Type me. Meron ba dyan? Of course, ang dami. No? Sabi dito, for things to change, you have to change. Don't wait for your husband to change or your company to change, but instead, be the change you wish to see. Change will start with a decision because you are just a decision away to your future B. With a decision, your life will change in an instant. Do lifestyles because here we have an asset building program. We will build your asset, earn passive income, and never have to work again. Meron na bang nagsabi sa inyo na payayamanin ka? Na meron silang program for you? Meron ba? How about your employer? Of course, wala. Bakit? Kasi if mag-resign ka, your boss has no more asset. Kasi you are working for the asset of your boss. But here, we will build your own asset, not your boss asset. And how do we do that? Next slide. Increase your income. No? Ito yung asset building program natin. Increase your income. How do we do that? Do lifestyles business. Huwag ka nang mag-isip pa. No? Ano yan? Paralysis, analysis, paralysis. Tapos delayed gratification. Meaning, we'll teach you how to become financially literate. Kasi it's not just all about making money, but managing your money. The second step is pay your utang. Third step is invest in assets and earn passive income. The fourth step is let your passive income buy your dreams. And you are financially free. Sino dyan gusto mag-financially free? Type me. Wow! Ang dami. So ito yung last slide ko. Ito yan. Life is a choice. Life is a choice. Your life today is the result of your attitude and choices of the past. Your life tomorrow will be the result of the choices you make today. I know marami sa inyo ang gusto mag-lifestyles, no? Bago lang dito, but walang pera. Di ba? Sino dyan gusto mag-lifestyles pero walang pera? You know what? Meron akong tip sa inyo. Gusto niyo ang tip? Ito yung tip ko. Please, don't use your logic. You know why? Because logic will only bring you from point A to point B. But use your imagination. Because with imagination, it can bring you anywhere. Walang limit. This is the most illogical business. How in the world my borrowed capital of 10,000 makes me a hotel owner. Just like the tricycle driver, June Igot, just renting a house of 800 pesos per month before lifestyles. He borrowed from 46 people for his investment. But now he has so many houses, many cars, and earning 1 million per month. That's your future. Because if you will use your logic here, you will say, me? Ako? Yayaman? Wala akong kapital. Wala akong sales background. Wala nga akong passport eh. I haven't tried any business. Never tried receiving a check under my name. Wala nga akong ID eh. How can I be rich? If this is you, you are using your logic. From now on, please stop using that. Your future self is begging you. That's the reason why until now you are stuck up. There's no scarcity in capital. The scarcity is in your imagination. Just say to God, I want this opportunity, God. I want this business. I want this change so badly. Please help me, God. And when you can do that, begin to take action. And what is your first action? Ask the person that invited you here today and ask, what should I do next? Okay? So I'm done, and I hope I have served you in any way. Good morning.
Wow, thank you, JMD, for that very powerful and inspiring presentation. I would like to thank all our speakers, our testimonies, and of course, to all our guests and distributors who are being with us this morning. But before we end, I have some announcement. Be reminded for our mindset training tomorrow. That's January 25, 8:30 p.m. And we also have our Dream Team Challenge and have a chance to win a 100,000 pesos. Just ask your uplines for the mechanics. And lastly, be excited for our upcoming big event in Lifestyles, our national gala. And have a chance to win 100,000 pesos. But don't forget to register and your 10 guests with you. Thank you for choosing Lifestyles. Get back to the person that invited you here today and start achieving your dreams today. Thank you and good morning.